Ever had that moment where you need to split a bill with a friend, but you're nowhere near an ATM? Or maybe a family member needs a quick helping hand, and a traditional bank transfer seems too slow. In today's fast-paced world, sending and receiving money instantly has become increasingly important. That's where Zelle comes in. This popular person-to-person, P2P, payment service allows you to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the U.S. But with so many banks and financial institutions out there, a crucial question arises: can all bank accounts use Zelle? The answer, like most things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Zelle compatibility and exploring everything you need to know about using this service with your bank account. Breaking down Zelle, a network, not a bank. First things first, it's important to understand that Zelle itself isn't a bank. Think of it more like a vast network that connects participating financial institutions. When you use Zelle, you're essentially initiating a transfer through this network, moving money directly from your account to the recipient's account at another bank. This is where the whole compatibility thing comes into play. If both your bank and the recipient's bank are part of the Zelle network, then the transaction can happen smoothly. But if either bank isn't connected, then using Zelle becomes a no-go. So, how do you know if your bank works with Zelle? Here's the good news: a vast majority of major banks and credit unions in the U.S. participate in the Zelle network. This includes big names like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, Citibank, and many more. But to be absolutely certain, the best way to check is to head straight to your bank's website or mobile app. Most financial institutions will have a dedicated section outlining their Zelle capabilities. You can also give them a call and ask directly. Beyond the big names, exploring compatibility with smaller banks. While major banks are widely on board with Zelle, what about smaller institutions or regional banks? Here, things can get a bit trickier. The Zelle network is constantly expanding, but it's always a good idea to double-check with your specific bank. Their website or a quick phone call can clarify whether they offer Zelle and, if so, how to access the service through their platform. Okay, my bank uses Zelle, now what? If you've confirmed your bank is a Zelle partner, congratulations. You're ready to experience the convenience of instant money transfers. Most banks integrate Zelle directly into their mobile banking apps or online banking platforms. The specific process might vary slightly depending on your bank, but generally, you'll find a Zelle option within the money transfer section. Here, you'll need to provide the recipient's information, such as their registered email address or U.S. mobile phone number linked to their bank account. Once you enter the amount and confirm the details, the money is sent electronically and should appear in the recipient's account almost instantly. Keep in mind that some banks might have daily or weekly sending limits for Zelle transactions, so be sure to check those beforehand. A few things to keep in mind before you Zelle. While Zelle offers a speedy and convenient way to send money, there are a few crucial points to remember. Security: always double-check the recipient's information before hitting send. Once a Zelle transaction is complete, it's generally considered final and can be difficult to reverse. Be wary of requests from unknown senders or situations that seem too good to be true. Fees: while Zelle itself doesn't typically charge fees, your bank might have its own transaction fees associated with sending or receiving money through Zelle. Check with your bank for their specific policy. Alternatives: Zelle is a fantastic option for quick transfers between friends and family. However, for larger transactions or business payments, consider exploring other options like bank transfers or online bill pay services, which might offer additional security features or fraud protection. Zelle, a convenient tool, but use it wisely. Zelle has become a popular tool for sending and receiving money quickly and easily. By understanding your bank's compatibility and keeping security in mind, you can leverage the benefits of Zelle for those everyday financial needs. Remember, Zelle is best suited for trusted individuals and small, personal transactions. For anything larger or more complex, explore alternative options that might offer a bit more security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.